Imagine make your hair fuller for free. For the first time ever, the microstrand technology, the only method that makes your hair fuller while keeping your own hair safe and healthy. We're conducting a case study contest where all you do is tell us your story about your hair, and first prize winner will get the microstrand technology absolutely free. But it doesn't stop there. There'll be a second, third, and fourth, and fifth prize winners. In total, 15 winners that'll get anywhere from 80% to 50% off. And the best part? You don't have to show your face and you don't have to give your name. All we want is your story. In addition to this, the following video is going to give you all the details about this contest, when it starts, when it'll end, plus all the commonly asked questions about the microstrand technology will be in this next video. All you have to do is fill out the form below and you'll receive the next video with all the details. Thank you.